Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I had many of you asking me to create a video showing you how to get admin commands in Still a Brainrot, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and get access to the admin panel for completely free using a working Still a Brainrot Roblox code. Before I get into it guys, I am doing a huge Robux giveaway. So all you have to do to enter is like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to create many more Still a Brainrot tutorials along with other Roblox games. And like I said, guys, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway to hundreds of people who like and subscribe. So go ahead and do that. Anyway, this video is going to take you a few minutes, but this is going to get you all admin commands in Still a Brainrot, allowing you to get night vision, ragdoll, morph. You can even spawn secrets as well. This is the best admin panel, and like I said guys, this is a simple code that you can redeem in game and it's going to unlock the admin commands. So let's get into the video guys. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone, but you can do this on Android as well. And this is the process of getting your code for the admin commands in Still a Brainrot. You need to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it exactly like this, guys. You can pause the video and copy it down. Super easy to type that, and it's going to bring you to this web page here. If you haven't seen this website before, you must be living under a rock, guys, because these guys have loads of codes for different games, and I've used them previously to unlock secrets in Still a Brainrot. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar and type in Still a Brainrot. You're looking for this Roblox one here. They have the Fortnite version as well, but we play Roblox on this channel. So as you can see, there's a few different verified codes. They're really popular. So scroll down and just look for this one, the admin commands. This is a get access to the admin panel in Still a Brainrot. So this is the easiest method to get admin commands. And like I said, guys, this is a simple code that you can enter in your Still a Brainrot game, and it's going to give you free access to the admin panel, allowing you to spawn secrets among loads of other cool features. So as you can see, you need to unlock your code because these are limited. There's 240, which it is a lot of codes, but people actually create robots to steal these sort of codes to basically sell for a profit. Obviously, this does usually cost a lot of Robux, the admin panel. So you need to unlock your personal code. Click this button here. Takes a few minutes, guys, but you just need to complete 2 of the free offers below. And as you can see, these tasks are really easy things, guys. These are installing mobile applications. You may see some free surveys, which are really easy. Just got to follow the instructions for each of the 2 tasks. I'm going to skip through this. I don't want to waste the code for this video. I've already done this, but basically, guys, if you complete 2 of those tasks, your Still a Brainrot admin commands code will be fully unlocked and it will say successful, and you can grab your code, enter it in Still a Brainrot, and that is going to unlock the admin panel for completely free. So really quick and easy, guys. Just got to go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, you can drop a comment in the comment section below, but if you do read through all of the instructions, it is pretty simple if you go ahead and follow them. So enjoy, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.